What's going on, guys? Chris at Dentless Touch. Today we're going to go over this quick repair. It was on a 2018 Chevy Camaro ZL1. So stay tuned. So this is a fairly simple repair, probably only taking roughly about 20 to 30 minutes. But we got the referral through a local detail shop who recently applied the Expel Fusion ceramic coating. So we had to be very, very careful not doing any damage to the paint or even that coating through our knockdown. But I just want to go over the tools we use and the complexity of the repair. Now, if you watch some of my previous videos, I used to grade the repairs based on complexity. And so let's just do this now. This is definitely a one, easy entry-level repair. Again, you just got to watch out for that coating. Make sure you don't leave any marks on that particular finish. Okay. So even though it took 10 minutes to repair this, I don't want you to think you can do this at home. Now, I think a 1 to 2 year technician could definitely repair this damage 100%. But with the added complexity of it being coated, you just have to watch yourself, again, with that finished surface. You want no evidence of actually knocking down or anything that a paintless dent repair might leave behind. So let's briefly go over the tools. Our light of choice is just the Stucky Hail. So it's the Stucky Hail light, 36 inch. We actually use this light a lot due to the mobility that it has. It actually has a battery pack on the backside of the actual frame of the light. And so it helps with the movability and just overall use of the light. And so we enjoy that light. The fade is beautiful. So we have no complaints for that light. Now the tools he used to push out that repair was the Dentcraft hook tool. They actually call it a door set. The whole set is like 7 tools for $159. I'm not trying to sell you on this kit, but 7 tools for $159. Anybody in this industry knows that's probably the best bang for the buck. And he actually used that tools as a little bit of an R&I, so it can just kind of serve as dual purpose. And the blending hammer you can't get anymore. It was a Dent Technologies. There's backstory from that, but anyway, it was one of his free bags that he was the black box bag that he gave away. So anyway, that's the blending hammer that Dave is using in the video. I said that's the end of the video. Hopefully this has been informative, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.